Exposing the secret sauce of the Olympics. Ready to dive in? The Olympics are like the ultimate sports showdown. Imagine a giant school field day, but with the whole world watching. So what's the scoop on the 2024 Paris Olympics? Well, Team USA is crushing it with 14 medals so far, but plot twist, they need more gold medals to be on top. China, South Korea, and Japan are leading with 5 shiny golds each. Talk about bling. But hold up, why are the Olympics so important? It's not just about the medals. It's about countries coming together, athletes pushing their limits, and epic moments like Simone Biles flipping like a superhero. Plus, it's a chance to see sports you didn't even know existed. Synchronized swimming? Sign me up! And who doesn't love a good underdog story? So whether you're a sports nerd or just here for the snacks, the Olympics are all about unity, passion, and some serious fun. Stay tuned, keep cheering, and who knows? Maybe one day it'll be you up there. Catch you later, champs!